Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Pauline Newman. I hope you all are doing well and welcome to Vlogmas Day 10. I'd like to share with you a haul from Amazon. These are Amazon perfumes and the first one is really a perfume oil, and this is by the brand Huibao, Huibao. This is the Arabic long-lasting seductive perfume oil. This is gorgeous on your vanity. It is stunning. How stunning is this? It is so beautiful. You just twist this and there's like a dropper. My hand has lotion on it, so just give me a second. Yeah, here we go. So it's this. And when I tell you it's seductive, oh, it's seductive. It is vanilla, sandalwood, and other seductive notes. This is just gorgeous from Amazon. Can you believe that? It's absolutely beautiful. And again, gorgeous on your vanity. And then I picked up, this is from Lattafa, another Middle East brand, and this one is called Khamrah. I kept the box for this one so you can see how glorious this looks. And then, does this remind you of any other perfume? Yeah, it does. This is, I think, possibly a dupe for Kilian's Angel Share. It's gorgeous. Oh God, it's lovely, and for it's woody. Oh goodness, leathery, oody, with a touch of vanilla, and I love it. It is so beautiful. There's a unisex quality to it that I'm digging these days. But look at this. How gorgeous would this be on your vanity? It's stunning. And I think I'll keep it in the box because it looks better that way. Okay, so that's Khamrah by the brand Lattafa. And then I picked up this one, and I know you know what this one looks like. So this one is Maison Extrait de Parfum, and it's called Barakkat Rouge 540. I see what you did there. Doesn't it look exactly like Barakkat 540? Doesn't it? And it smells gorgeous. It is just absolutely gorgeous. And it looks fantastic on your vanity. I'm going to spray it a little bit. Oh my God, that's stunning. It's just, it's stunning. Take my word for it when I say it's stunning. It is stunning. Yeah. Love it. And I think I have another one. And then I picked up from Lattafa again. This one is called Yara. This is the box. I do love these Middle Eastern perfumes. They are just glorious. The packaging is right up there with the luxury fragrance houses, and this is what it looks like. I know. I know. I hear you. I know, right? Gorgeous. Oh my. It's just, it's stunning. Oh, it's soft. It's florally. But it has, I would consider this a fruity floral. And I'm not one to like fruity floral, but wow, this is lovely. Reviews coming up on all of these. And then, I think I have one more. And then, this is called Delilah. And you know what it's a dupe of. And if you don't know, once you see the bottle, you'll say, oh, right? Right. Oh, this is gorgeous. This is supposedly a dupe of Parfum de Marly's Nina, I think it's called. But this is Delilah. And I love Delilah. That is gorgeous. That is gorgeous. I will list all of these in the comments. I'm sorry, in the description box. I have an Amazon storefront, so I will list these for you if you are interested. And again, these, none of these, I don't think any of these were over $50. See, a fraction of the cost. It is absolutely stunning. I love it. Wow. What are some of the Amazon fragrances that you own? Let me know in the comments that you think I should try. Okay, let me stop you there. Before you tell me, I like fragrances that are vanilla based. So if they're not vanilla based, I don't think I'm gonna like them, but still share them anyway. You never know, I could be converted. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you all have a wonderful day. As always, be kind to yourself, be kind to others. Simply pay it forward. Until next time. Goodbye.